Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we provide tips and tricks to help you succeed in your academic journey. Today, we're going to be talking about how to prepare for exams. Exams can be nerve-wracking and stressful, but with the right preparation, you can ace them. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a study schedule. The first step to preparing for an exam is to create a study schedule. This helps you stay organized and focused on what you need to study. Start by looking at your exam syllabus and identifying what topics you need to cover. Then, create a study schedule that breaks down those topics into manageable study sessions. Try to spread out your study sessions over a few weeks leading up to the exam, rather than cramming everything into the last few days. Step 2. Use different study techniques. Everyone learns differently, so it's important to use different study techniques that work best for you. This can include reading textbooks, taking notes, watching educational videos, creating flashcards, or doing practice problems. Experiment with different techniques to find out what works best for you. Step 3. Take breaks. Studying for hours on end without breaks can actually hinder your ability to retain information. Taking regular breaks helps your brain recharge and process what you've just learned. Try taking a 5 to 10 minute break every hour or so. Step 4. Get plenty of sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for retaining information and staying focused. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night leading up to the exam. Avoid studying late into the night and instead try to finish your study sessions a few hours before bedtime. Step 5. Review and practice. The last step is to review and practice what you've learned. Use practice problems and quizzes to test your knowledge and identify areas where you may need more practice. Review your notes regularly, and if possible, try to explain what you've learned to someone else. This helps solidify your understanding of the material. And that's it for today's video. By following these steps, you can be confident that you're fully prepared for your exams. Good luck, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more academic tips and tricks.